It's January 31st today, just about sunset. Beautiful night on the Gold Coast. It's like 30 degrees. There's supposed to be a full blood moon tonight for the first time in a couple years. Some lunar something or other that hasn't happened in like 150 years. So the waves are going crazy. But yeah, spent the day by the pool today, and now we're about to head to the gym to do some legs, Anika and myself. I was gonna say something that I forget. What was it? Oh yeah, we just booked a trip to Sydney, which is gonna be February 12th to the 15th, I think, or the 13th to the 15th for Valentine's Day, and we're also gonna hit up Bondi Beach and just have a grand old time. So we're gonna take you through the leg workout. I'm gonna make a little bit of an edit. I think I'm gonna try for Instagram. So I'll probably show it here and then take you guys through the workout afterwards. Gonna do some raw clips. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Well, I'll just...
Hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother that's caught in the crossfire. That's caught in the crossfire. I trained my luck to know why he's caught in the crossfire. And now I'm here waking up to the sun and the sound of birds. Society's anxiety deprives of all that we're blessed with. We just can't get enough, no. Heaven, if you sent us down so we could build a playground for the sinners to play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother that's caught in the crossfire. That's caught in the crossfire.
My favorite thing, how the escalators speed up if you step on them.
Yes. Deadlift's absolutely wrecked my glutes. Glutes are the tightest and the sorest.
Yep, me too.
This lens is so close, it's like, I have to hold it awkwardly so far.
I'm nervous talking in public.
But yeah, headed home. Solid session. Heaviest I've deadlifted probably in a while, and it didn't even feel heavy, so cheers. What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday today. I've been sending out some emails to fitness people around the Gold Coast, and I hit up G-Train Pro, Gary Turner, and he's down to film, so we are going to film some fitness content, probably just a 1-minute edit, like I usually do, and then we might film some more stuff in the future, so that's gonna be sick, so be on the lookout for that, and I guess we're gonna start that now, so. That was my tram that I just missed. Shit.
Please remember to touch your go card to a card reader.
Cold brew, just
Cold
black?
brew, yeah. No sugar.
No sugar, just black, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that edit. That's the first time I've actually filmed a video without working out myself, so it was definitely a little bit different, more of the videographer role, but trying to build a business like that, so hopefully it was sick. Call Anika Challen.
Which phone number for Anika Challen? Anika Challen, princess with medium light skin tone. Mobile.
Hello? I'm here, where are you? So what's up to YouTube?
What up, YouTube?
Guys, welcome to Surfers Paradise Beach. Today I got this hot girl with me, Anika Challen. Anika, are you gonna catch some waves today?
No.
Well, this guy is. Legit. Bye. Alright, so just got home. I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then head down to the beach with Anika. But before that, I just wanted to touch a little bit on the direction of this channel, kind of what I'm doing, what's going on in life. So first, obviously, I made this channel because I started personal training, started the online personal training thing, started making YouTube content, fitness content, gym videos, explanations, commentaries, and I was kind of going that direction in terms of helping people achieve their goals with fitness. And I feel like over the past couple of months, it's kind of switched from personal training to more content creation. At the end of the day, it's really just me making videos. I just love making videos, and I always have. I've been making them since like before high school. So I feel like that's deep down always just been my passion, is just to make sick edits. So I'm gonna keep making those, obviously, but I just wanted to touch on it a little bit. I'm probably gonna get away from more of like growing a personal training business plan to more of growing a videography business, or like just a film making business, because I've always loved filmmaking. I look up to all those travel vloggers, and travel videos out there are so dope. So that's kind of my inspiration, as I always watch those and try to relate that to the fitness world and bring in just basically sick edits to YouTube. To fitness, YouTube fitness. So that's kind of the plan. I'm more or less just going to be documenting my journey of creating my videography business, I guess. Just connecting with other like-minded individuals in fitness, in the fitness industry, and growing and making sick videos, because I feel like there's like a missing portion. Like there's so many big influencers that have such a big following, and they post like shitty cell phone quality. Obviously it's not super shitty. It's cell phones these days are amazing, but I just mean in terms of the content, it's like no music, quick edits, and some people like that because it's like instructional tips. But I feel like the edits and like the actual filmmaking process and making sick videos to music is kind of lacking. There's like obviously a couple dope creators out there. Nabil from Alphalete, or who works for Alphalete, he was one of my my main inspirations that kind of set me to do more of the gym edits, and there's a couple others as well, obviously Matt Como and Peter McKinnon and just a bunch of others that are in the filmmaking industry that have inspired me to do this more and just learn and gain their knowledge and bring it to my channel. So basically I'm going to be making more edits, and I'm going to be documenting my journey of growing as a videographer. So stick around if you guys like that. If not, I'm still going to be making gym edits. I'm still going to be making valuable content. I'm still going to be obviously explaining some exercises, doing commentaries and that sort of thing. But there's also going to be a videography part of it where I explain just the content creation, and maybe even I'll do some tutorials or something eventually in the future. But this is still pretty fresh for me. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you do it, because you're going to be learning a lot along the way. And as my man Mike Babcock would say, yeah, you know, we're digging deep right now, right? We're trying to learn a couple things, and we're trying to portray that back towards our content creation. We're trying to learn, and we're trying to create, and we're trying to deliver it to you guys, right? So we're gonna dig deep these next couple months, right? and we're really going to try to grow as a team and as individuals, right? So thanks for checking out the channel, guys. This video may continue on to tomorrow, maybe some lifting footage.